potions and remedies. Plague doctors recommended many strange and disgusting cures, such as bathing in vinegar or drinking urine. Yuck! Another bizarre remedy was to strap a plucked chicken to the buboes, or to rub them with chopped up snake or pigeon. Doctors made potions and pastes out of unicorn's horns, crushed emeralds, roots, herbs, flowers, or human waste.
Yuck! Yuck! That is so gross!
One potion called theriac had up to 80 ingredients. Some people wore bouquets of flowers or burned incense. Others sat near sewers or toilet pits to replace the bad air from the disease with a different kind of bad air. Doctors used leeches to remove bad blood from a patient. They also cut buboes open and drained them.
Ow!
Another cure was to press a hot cup under the skin to draw the disease into the cup. None of these cures worked. Quarantine and social distancing made the biggest difference, as well as having a positive attitude and staying hopeful and cheerful. There's a lesson in there for everyone.